Hello guys, let us solve basic problems based on percentage. First question is what is 20% of 150? Here we know that 20% is equal to 20 by 100. Now just we need to multiply 150 with 20 by 100, then we get answer is 30. So the correct answer is 30. Second question is find 15% of 240. Here we know that 15% is equal to 15 by 100. So here we just need to multiply 240 with 15 by 100. Then we get answer is 36. So the correct answer is 36. Third question is 25% of the number is 40. Then find the number. Here let us assume that the number is x. Now we know that 25% is equal to 25 by 100. So we just need to multiply x with 25 by 100, which is equal to 40. Therefore x value is 160. Therefore the correct answer is 160. The fourth question is to increase 300 rupees by 10%. We know that 10% of 300 is equal to 30. Therefore, we just need to add 30 with 300. Then we get answer as 330. Therefore, the correct answer is 330. Fifth question is to decrease 500 by 20%. We know that 20% of 500 is equal to 100. Therefore, we just need to subtract 100 with 500. Then we get answer as 400. So, the correct answer is 400. Sixth question is to convert 1 by 2 into percentage. Here, we just need to multiply 1 by 2 with 100. Therefore, the correct answer is 50. Seventh question is 20 is what percent of 80? Here we know that x by 100 of 80 is equal to 20. Therefore, x value is 25. So, the correct answer is 25%. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.